Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Taco, you're from Widows. Welcome to some Gmod. I'm talking really fast. Guys, dog pile! Dog pile, dog pile, dog pile, dog pile, dog pile, dog pile, dog pile.
Dog pile. Everyone say dog pile at the same time. Everyone say dog pile at the same time.
Dog pile, dog pile, dog pile, dog pile.
Oh my god.
Dog pile.
I missed the pile. I missed.
Oh no.
I jumped over it.
Listen to me. Delta, listen to me. Delta, listen to me. I'm not the murderer. Look, they killed
Someone
themselves.
face
You can
plant.
prove it.
Someone
Look at
just
the
planted.
facts. The evidence. The evidence. Let's go.
Cat facts. Cat facts. They have everything.
Oh!
At me, bro.
Wow, that was a nice throw.
Nice.
Who's still
God
alive?
damn.
Because I
I'm
wanted
still
to make a
alive.
dog pile.
Look at her butthole. Big butthole.
What
Look
the
at
hell?
Little children dog pile. Blah.
Yay!
just love
I
it.
jumped
It's
over the
so
dog. I
retarded.
jumped over the dog
Very
pile.
retarded. It's the best thing.
It's so retarded, but it's genius.
Where are you, buddy?
Looks like he was dying.
He is Johnny.
Wait!
I know it's you, X-Ray.
Haven't got mine to record an Octodad yet. So sorry about that.
No, we can talk about this, you know.
Oh! To the face!
Why did he move?
I could have done that though.
He should have
Dog pile, dog pile, dog pile. Dog pile, 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 dog pile. Dog pile, dog pile, dog pile, dog pile, dog pile. Dog pile, dog pile.
Shut up, Delta. Can we, like, mute Delta? Cause holy crap, his
I can't
voice is
see
annoying.
anything. I can't see
Oh, God.
anything.
It's okay, X-Ray.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
Let's go into the dog
Oh,
pile, shall we? Would you like to
I swear to
join me?
Clearly you don't like dog piles.
I'm gonna kamikaze if it isn't you, by the way.
No, don't kill yourself. There's so much lore.
Mhm. 'Cause I have the
Like
gun, I'm not
Cracked
gonna... what Bulbasaur? There's no Bulbasaur.
What?
That's what you think.
Bulbasaur? I want to. Well, I love Bulbasaur.
Where is
Bulbasaur's
the
my favorite
Bulbasaur? Can someone tell me where a Bulbasaur is? Like, literally.
Up your ma.
I can tell you where a turtle is if that's what he thinks it is.
No,
I have a
there's something on the
prophecy.
floor apparently. It's like a spray, maybe?
I don't see a
Why are you
Bulbasaur.
following me, Bravo?
Whoa, I'm
You know
not.
what? Screw it. If it isn't you, I'm just gonna kill myself.
Oh, okay, well, see, yeah, I'm not doing anything.
Neither did I.
I was a
Come on,
murderer
man.
last round.
Is there anybody else alive?
I'm alive.
Oh, is it just you?
Gee.
I think so.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Looks
Jesus.
like it's just me and you.
Taco, you recording? Oh, that's
Yes.
sweet.
Wait, you're
Are you gonna
recording?
upload it to YouTube?
Yes.
What's your channel?
Oh.
I'll tell you when I'm done recording.
A little bit too.
I knew it. It was Bravo. I knew it too.
I also record-
Oh, nice.
I don't know why Bravo was getting too close to me.
That screamed out.
Okay, when I have the secret weapon, first person I shoot dies, and I kill myself. That's how it works.
Why did you
Nice.
kill me though? Like I didn't do anything. You just killed me.
It doesn't matter. I just shoot. Doesn't matter. I just shoot.
He wants to see a magic trick.
I really don't like you.
That's not good though. I
Yeah,
was
that's
about
not
to
good.
get the
I have
guy
no
and kill
idea.
him, but then you
He wants to
shot
see a
me.
magic trick.
Can we, like, vote ban or vote kick him or whatever? Because I'm not liking him at all, to be honest.
Whoa. What are you doing?
It's Juliet. Oh god.
Juliet, why? Why you do this?
Juliet, why? Juliet, it's okay.
Juliet, I'm sorry I didn't love you. I'm sorry I didn't love you as much as I can.
Your fault. You can quit while you're ahead. Quit while you're ahead.
Oh god.
Family apart.
Oh god. Oh. Oh, I got a microwave safety.
Talk it out.
We can be safe together.
we safe together with who? Wow.
Yeah!
You know,
Yeah!
did you kill yourself?
Yes.
Everybody dogpile in the office.
Okay.
No dog piling. Don't listen to
Nobody
Zulu.
likes
Dog pile. Dog pile.
Dogpile. Dogpile.
It's all you.
Dog
he's
pile.
smart.
Everybody get on the
Don't
projector
listen to him,
table.
it's a cult.
Projector table.
Yeah, everybody in the projector room if you want a dogpile.
Nobody wants to.
Dog pile.
Sure.
Dogpile.
Let's go.
Dog pile.
Brought a microwave.
Yeah!
We can heat things up.
No, that way we can,
That was a horrible.
that way we can,
Someone's
What?
out here.
the hell?
Alright, who shot him? Who shot him?
Clearly it's alpaca slave.
On my screen, he was holding a knife.
Okay then.
Then you can join him. We'll start the dog power here then. Would you like to join? Come on, cheer
I
up.
have the gun, so no.
Do it!
I have the gun!
Okay, whoever I shot, I'm sorry.
Wow.
On my screen, you had
Dog pile.
Oh wow.
Guys, he made a dog pile.
on my screen. I swear, you were holding a knife.
Guys, wasn't that the best dog pile ever?
Anyway, I need to go.
Oh god.
And anyway, I need to go.
Okay.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Star XD. Bye. We'll miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Taco
That is
Will.
the
If
worst
you're
song
going
in
to
the
miss
world.
me,
That is
you can
actually
add me.
like my
Are
least
you
Bye,
favorite
kidding
song.
bye,
me?
bye.
Are you kidding me? You think that's bad? It's a good
Bye.
song, to be honest.
Are
Bye.
you kidding me? Oh my god. Can anyone hate you even more?
What?
Jeez.
Really?
Actually, very easily.
Hit
Because he's very likable.
Oh, you might be thinking about the one with Kesha.
Pitbull and Kesha. How do you like that song?
How do you
Never
like
said it.
Pitbull and Kesha at all?
I never said I
Pitbull
liked Pitbull or Kesha. It's an old song, jeez.
Wait, who? Timber by who? Or don't answer me. That's cool.
You... Never mind. You know what? Wow!
2 dog piles.
Yeah, let's do a dog pile and project room. This will be good for...
I just find it funny how I shot him. You're too close to me. Oh. Wow, okay.
I don't like concealed weapons. I don't want that. It makes me feel like I'm a murderer. Here, Zulu. You can take that. Thank you.
I want it.
Zulu already has a pink Zulu.
I got a microwave, do not worry. Guys, I found the perfect spot to do a dog pile. Find me.
Whoa!
I missed.
Yeah, you listened.
It looks like I just kind of tripped over your body.
Does.
Or you tripped over mine.
Left.
Lol.
Best death ever. Oh wait, let's have a contest of whose body can go the farthest next round.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Yeah. Dog pile.
Why are you running from me?
You've been following me for a while
You're
now.
a scary man.
Oscar, please. Oscar, please. Please kill me.
I'm a swing your partner.
It's him.
My
It's
knife.
him. It's him.
Dun, dun, dun,
In the ass.
Oh, sweet Jesus!
Nice.
Nice shot. Wow. Good shot.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was genius. I love you for that. Forever. Okay, hey, do you want the gun?
Hello there!
Run for your life!
No, because you're gonna shoot me with it. Here, shoot that guy and then get. Oh god!
What is Victor? Pink Victor.
Well, I
Alright.
missed.
Gee.
Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro.
Don't do it.
Oh!
Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come back.
Wait. Oh my god, those bodies are. Oh my god. Bodies for making out.
Alright, I got a spare. Nailed it!
Nice.
Oh,
My screen, the
good.
gun didn't
good
come up, so
job.
it just looks like I just shot him with
You
air.
traitor. Okay, this time we're going to be doing the contest by fire, okay? I'll allow you to go first.
Legally.
Okay?
How about we kill both of you?
What? No, we're having a death race. We'll see which body we can get to go farther.
It's beige, beige,
Oh
beige,
god!
beige, beige.
Ooh, it's whiskey. Beige whiskey. Or tan whiskey. Whatever your preference is. Whatever it
Preference
is a
is,
whiskey.
Ceiling.
I saw him with a knife. He definitely had a knife.
Beige whiskey, no! Help me! Help me! Beige whiskey is
What?
on my tail.
Oh!
My
Ooh!
tail, help me.
Oink! 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 Wait! 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 Wait!
Only Raptor Jesus can think now.
Wait! 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 Wait!
Nailed it.
I'm just gonna watch this.
You might be dead.
Damn.
Is anybody else alive?
Guys, I got a gun, it's okay.
I was just
Okay, good.
oinking. Wait!
I say nay.
Are you alive? Hotel? Hotel, are you alive? I'm scared.
Yes, I'm still alive. Ah! Not anymore.
Maybe.
You lied, man.
Oh!
God can save you now.
Why did you just
Oh my
stand
God.
there and watch?
Taco.
Gosh darn it.
You just stood there and watched me get murdered. Like, you just stood there and got in my way. Like, when you could have just shot behind my shoulder and killed him. It have saved everyone.
Aren't you a hero?
Instead, you decided to take the slot
I'm
way.
totally not a murderer. I'm totally not a murderer.
I know you are.
I'm not.
Yeah, he's clearly a murderer.
I'm not a murderer, as he says,
Shut up.
running
I
around
am
with
a
a
murderer.
murderer.
I'm totally not a murderer, says the guy who's killed 10 people with a knife in a round. I'm totally not a bystander. Wait, what? Wait.
Alright, Bravo's following me. Like, whitey colored Bravo's
Oh,
following
God.
me. So, if I go silent, suspicion on him. Your microphone.
Yeah. Oh my God, that mic is horrible.
That mic.
Oh my God, that's so annoying. Oh my God. The murderer, find him and kill
The
him.
room and dropping dead. What's happening?
Wait, what?
They just walked into the room and simultaneously died.
Oh, dog pile. Dog pile. Yay, a dog pile. Guys, everyone do the microwave. Guys, who wants to do the microwave?
I want to do the stove. Real
Oh,
hard.
fuck you then. Wait, what? What the hell?
I can agree with that.
It's Alpha! Green Alpha with the pumpkin on his or thing on his head.
Pumpkin?
He's dead.
Where did you get pumpkin? What the hell?
He's a pumpkin.
Where did you get pumpkin?
We did it. Oh my God. What? I just
The thing just
What?
started.
What just happened?
myself
What?
thinking it would be from the round before. But it was a
Oh my God.
started and I was the
Yeah, I
murderer.
have a gun this time, which no one should see me with. Hey, Patrick, are you
Yay.
a murderer?
I'm not.
No, I am.
Batman's a murderer!
Alright, everyone back up. Listen up here. There's a new sheriff from town and he's got a cool hat.
I want to say it's that guy.
I'm dead.
Oh my God. It's just,
You know what that
wait,
means, right?
how many people died simultaneously?
Square in the eyes. Look at me square in the eyes. Tell me. Stop walking around. Stop being a little pansy. Stop walking around. Look me square in the eyes. Tell me that you're not the murderer. Tell me you're not the
I
murderer.
had the gun. I'm the one who gave it to you.
Tell
I shot
me
the guy in
you're
the
not.
middle.
Oh, okay.
Herp-a-derp.
Listen, Lima.
And it's one
Okay.
of these two. I'm gonna say it's Lima, because Lima meant murder.
50-50
totally.
chance.
Yeah.
50-50 chance.
50-50. Shoot Lima! I say Lima! Yes, I'm
No.
a genius!
It's Papa.
Wait.
What happened?
Nothing. I just felt like oinking. I oinked all over the place. Oh!
Wow, you suck.
Wait, why did the body go up?
Please, just like
Killed him.
Wait.
You were the murderer.
Wait.
Everyone, don't get
Wait.
caught.
Wait.
Really just say that in chat.
He's
Wait.
a murderer.
Wait.
He's a murderer.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Oh my god, everyone on the server is so
Wait.
obnoxious.
Wait.
Patrick, I know it's
Ah!
Who the hell just... What?
I'm sorry.
He's dead.
I hope you all enjoyed.
I'm with Echo.
Oh my god, this video. See you all later.